Hi everybody, I'm Pekka from Stalatube. This webinar is about weight, lightweight. Our goal is with benefits of using Stala products to achieve the most lightweight and sustainable bus body. Our aim is to reduce the weight of the bus body by 30%. So sit tight. A lot of information, facts and numbers coming your way. But first, a little bit about us.
Stalatube is known worldwide as the manufacturer of diverse and highly developed stainless steel hollow sections, profiles and components. It has the world's largest product range for square and rectangular hollow sections. We offer the widest range of stainless steel square and rectangular hollow sections, I-beams and profiles in austenitic, ferritic, duplex and lean duplex materials. Here are the experts of the hour.
So listen to what they have to say. They are stainless steel professionals. They have hard but surprisingly lightweight facts to tell.
Welcome to Stalatube Transportation Industry webinar. This webinar is going to focus on bus and coach building industry, but our products can be used also in trailers, trams and other different kind of rolling stock products. With me, we have here today Emrah and Teppo. And we are mainly going to discuss about lightweight solutions and sustainability of our products. Okay, Emrah and Teppo, let's discuss about Stalatube products then. So Stalatube can produce stainless steel square and rectangular hollow sections. We can also cut them, so we can produce ready-made laser cut components. We can also deliver sheets and welded structures if needed. So basically we can deliver all stainless steel structural materials to produce chassis and bus body structures. Now we have also launched a new Stala Opti solution. But before going to the details, Teppo, could you please explain us why stainless steel is in general so good material?
Sure. Everyone knows about the great corrosion resistance properties which allow minimal coating needs, also in transport applications, also high strength solutions which enable weight savings. We're going to discuss more in detail later.
Yeah.
But also stainless steel has been a part of this circular economy for a long time. It has been and is one of the best circulating materials around. So our materials have a recycling content of up to over 90% of the raw materials.
Yes.
So all of this combines to make it, in my opinion, the most sustainable option for transport industry compared to other construction materials like carbon steel or aluminum or others.
Yeah. And talking about the buses, Emrah, especially why stainless steel is so good material to be used in buses and coaches?
Due to superior mechanical properties of our products, remarkable weight saving can be achieved. It can be even up to 1,000 kilograms. Of course, to be able to reach this amount of weight saving, it requires engineering optimization and also excellent product. And luckily, Stalatube can support our customers in both areas.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So let's then look at the different raw material grades which we can offer.
Here they are. First, the austenitic Stala 350 is almost like S355 but better. Then its big brother, also austenitic Stala 500, more high strength. The one that is so dear to me, the lean duplex 630D. Looking almost the same, but the ferritic Stala 400F. Lastly, the beast, the austenitic Stala 800, the most high strength. I love them all, and I could talk about it all day. Luckily for you, I won't.
Stalatube is having several stainless steel raw material grade options for different kind of customer requirements. Emrah, could you please tell us a bit more about the differences between the different grades?
Of course, we have 3 special grades for transport industry. The first one, ferritic Stala 400F, which is very cost-effective option to be used.
Yeah.
And it is the most common grade in the market, has good mechanical properties, but it has really attractive price level and stable, which makes it special compared to other grades. On the other hand, we have authentic grades, which has really good elongation properties in mechanical properties wise, and also good corrosion resistance.
Yeah.
On the other hand, the last one, superior element, lean duplex Stala 630D, which has both excellent mechanical properties in elongation wise and also strength wise, and it has really good corrosion resistance. It doesn't require coating at all, Jori.
Okay, very good. So you mentioned that the raw material price of ferritic stainless steel is very interesting. I suppose it's...
It can be attractive and stable.
I suppose it's due to the nickel content, or basically there is no nickel at all.
Yes.
Yeah. So the price level is very stable, and it's of course very important for our customers because they need to offer fixed price for their products.
They want to fix their cost to be able to make their product pricing. So therefore, it's very good benefit for them.
Yeah. And then you mentioned those high strength options, lean duplex 630D and Stala 800. Where would you use them as an engineer in the bus body?
Both materials has excellent mechanical properties. They can be used in all rollover structure requirements in the bus body structure, such as sidewall pillars or roof arcs. On the other hand, due to excellent energy absorption properties, they can be really good whenever they use in the front and rear collision elements theory.
Okay, so if you use those highest strength materials in those critical locations, can then the rest be, for instance, ferritic stainless steel?
Yes.
Okay. And how about the differences then between Stala 630D and Stala 800? Which are the main differences between the grades?
They are both in high strength level grades, and they also have both really good mechanical properties, strength and elongation wise, but Stala 800 is slightly better compared to LDX. But on the other hand, LDX has a really good corrosion resistance. The main differences is related to corrosion resistance. So LDX has better corrosion resistance and Stala 800 has slightly better mechanical properties.
Okay, but does it mean that Stala 800 is requiring coating?
Yes, of course. It requires a coating.
Yeah. And is it so that if our customers are having an existing e-coating facilities, they can use the same facilities?
It's very good question, Jori. Whenever our customers willing to skip whole coating process to increase the lead time and also decrease the CO2 emissions, then our suggestion would be to use lean duplex and authentic grades. But whenever our customers willing to keep their coating facilities at their premises, then Stala 800 would be the optimal choices. But at the moment today, the most popular combination in the market is LDX, lean duplex and ferritic together to be able to have lightweight and also cost-wise reasonable level.
So it's an excellent combination.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what would I suggest to our customers.
Yeah, okay. Teppo, then if our customers are going to combine Stala 800 together with carbon steel, how about welding then?
Yeah, good question. All of these materials can be welded with traditional welding processes. Emrah mentioned optimizing structures, so finding the key locations for each material. So we want to combine different material grades in the whole structure to really optimize the performance and also the cost and the weight of the structure. So the only thing you need to remember is to use correct welding filler material with these materials. So stainless steel welding wire with traditional processes is usually enough. And with these excellent elongation properties, forming the components is not an issue.
Right, okay.
So whenever I visit our customers, this is the most common question to us, how to manage the dissimilar joints. So actually there is nothing to worry about that.
Yeah.
Just they need to use correct welding wire, stainless welding wire, to avoid all problems. That's all.
Yeah, and they can use the same welding machines which they are using today.
They can keep everything same, just need to use correct welding wire.
Okay, okay. I think we can next talk about Stalatube. So Stalatube is an optimized, locally reinforced tube component. Emrah, could you please tell us a bit more about this new innovation?
Of course, at the heart of Stalatube's success is tailored approach. This special product is designed to address stress hotspots in the structure. So its ability to enhance fatigue resistance, stiffness, and also maintaining low weight situation. And this super solution is very good for the industries where structural integrity is needed.
Yeah.
Basically, we are supporting strengthening a tube to be able to obtain better mechanical properties whilst keeping low weight condition.
Yeah, so actually the concept is relatively simple. We have just added thicker wall thicknesses where it's actually needed, and we have also added those local reinforcement components in some certain locations.
Yes, it's, as I mentioned, it's totally tailor-made products. We are using our engineering competencies where it's needed and giving our customer as a solution. So potential weight saving is really dramatically high compared to other standard products.
I suppose it can be like tens of percent.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. And is it available in all our raw material grades?
Yes, currently it's available in all our current material grades, but whenever we have the case, we are checking as our engineering department where it can be used and what will be the optimal solution.
So it's always tailor-made?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's discuss how this all benefits our customers. We have a very ambitious goal to reduce bus body weight by 30%, meaning even 1,000 kilograms per vehicle. And Emrah, could you please explain how this big weight reduction is possible?
Of course, to be able to reach that amount of level of weight saving, it requires both high-strength superior material and also engineering optimization. So therefore we have a engineering department at our company who helps our customers by selecting correct grades and also utilizing high-strength material in their structure.
Okay.
So in that case, we can help our customers with our competencies and using the correct grades and also take advantage from our high-strength materials.
Okay. So basically, if you switch just from carbon steel to stainless steel without making any changes in your engineering, you are not going to get that big weight savings.
Unfortunately, it's not easy as it looks. It requires, as I said, engineering optimization a lot. Otherwise, it can be even create some disadvantage if you just change the material with the current grades.
Right. Okay. Okay. Then, if you gain these weight savings, what kind of benefits you are going to get?
First of all, production and operational costs can be really decreased.
Yeah.
And also with the lighter weight, you can increase the range of your structure.
Yeah.
And also lower fuel consumption, which allows. And also, last but not least, whenever you create extra lightweight options at your structure, you may also able to use in other side, such as battery places, which is very popular at the moment. So the batteries are quite heavier and always requiring extra batteries due to our customer requests. So therefore, whenever you create this kind of opportunities, it also helps to engineers to use those areas in a required area.
Right, right. Teppo, how about the CO2 emissions wise? What kind of impact these weight savings are having?
Yeah, it has a critical impact because whenever we are considering sustainability in road transport, we need to look at the whole life cycle, not just manufacturing emissions and year zero. So by reducing weight, reducing the raw material consumption to a bus body and using our cleanest on the market raw materials, we can have significant savings up front on year zero, but also the less weight enables less fuel consumption during the life cycle, so that can overshadow even the year zero benefits. So they can be multiple compared to the savings in raw materials. So we have cases where we can save thousands of kilograms of CO2 per bus body just by optimizing the structure and saving the weight. So we can build on top of these previously mentioned benefits by having the less weight. So it's really the key factor in these.
Yeah, so the impact is huge.
Enormous.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah. Stalatube is the most sustainable stainless steel tube producer in the whole world, and we want to produce the cleanest possible product. So let's discuss about our EPD figures.
Yes, so to back up the statement you made, we have made life cycle analysis of our products and our steel grades in effort to provide the customer with reliable, verified, independently verified, standardized data so that they can use it to compare different materials, different suppliers, and also analyze their own carbon footprint of their products.
Right.
So these are the numbers that we came up with, and I'm personally very happy with the level. You can see there.
Yeah.
Compared to, for example, carbon steel.
Yeah, I just, for instance, I can see that the CO2 footprint of ferritic EN 1.4003 grade is much lower compared to carbon steel, which is still very widely used in the bus bodies. How is it possible to have this big difference compared to carbon steel?
Yeah, you mentioned it. It's around half of the footprint of carbon steel generally used. So how we achieve is by selecting the steel mills, steel suppliers with the lowest carbon footprint, so that we direct our purchases to those mills. We get the cleanest raw material to our production, and also we are optimizing our production. We could mention that over the last few years we have reduced the amount of scrap in our production by 42%. So it creates a big effect to these numbers that we are using less raw material to achieve the same end result, which is also what we are suggesting to our customers. Same approach. less input, same end result.
Yeah. How it has been possible to make that big scrap rate decrease?
Well, it's a combination of things that we are optimizing our production planning, our production sizes. We have invested in machinery, and also we have dedicated people at all levels to achieve this common goal.
Yeah, very good.
Very good.
How about APD figures? Can our customers find them somewhere?
Of course, they are available through our experts on our website and also in international EPD databases, so they are readily available whoever is interested.
Okay. And in case you require any additional info, please do not hesitate to contact us. And many thanks for joining this webinar. Thank you, Teppo. Thank you, Emrah.
Thank you for watching. Hope you got some useful info. And don't hesitate to contact our experts if you have any questions. So, to end on a high note, here's a fun fact. Did you know that there are around 5 million buses and coaches in the world, covering 100 billion kilometers a year? If one of these vehicles would become 500 kilograms lighter, it would mean a 3,990 kilogram cut in carbon dioxide emissions every year per bus. It is equal to the emissions of Switzerland. So now you know. Thank you.